The Gyan Bharati police station limits. It is a case already detected earlier. It has come in the media. But we wanted to highlight this case in the sense that in this particular case, 48 lakh rupees of medicines was purchased by the victim between May and August of this year. And the particular, these tents which they are putting across in some places, the particular person who has given the medicine is not a registered practitioner. However, he claims that he has a certificate from Ayurvedic some association. We are verifying that. He is not a registered medical practitioner. And after taking these medicines, the victim started getting more trouble in the sense that his body was not responding, and means there were problems in his medical health, and he approached the person that why it is happening, and then he has complained to the police. Police have taken two people into custody. They claim themselves to be medical practitioners. However, it is not correct. So through the media, we appeal to the people that not to get trapped by such quacks who are not registered, and they should never get into trap, because there's a huge amount of 48 lakhs which the person has spent, and he is facing severe medical problems now. We have recovered almost 23 lakh 50,000 worth of cash and vehicle from these two accused. Still money has to be recovered. A lot of medicines which we are sending for examination, whether they are actual, for what reason, and what is the effect on the body. So it's our appeal that not to get in trouble in the trap of these type of quacks.